He's still not giving me feedbacks, so I'm very, very nervous.
Wow!
And the magic starts here. Fish sauce. Hey! Hey, hey! 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 Hi everyone, it's Quinn and SeoHyun. So we're back with our cooking show. And today I will be cooking Adobong Puti. And guess what? I've never I've never cooked that before, but I have tried it because of my papa's friend who would used to cook that for us. I probably tried it a couple of times only, but I really liked it. And this guy right here is bugging me to cook Filipino food, and I figured,
Oh,
I'll just
yes.
ace it today. And I did a little bit of research and I come up with this Adobong Puti Malabon version. So Malabon is a place in Manila. It's like Quezon City. So Malabon is known for this dish. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, there are a lot of versions how to cook adobong puti, just like traditional adobo. So this time, do you know what adobong puti is? Puti is white. So it's basically adobo but white. Why is it adobong puti? Because we don't use soy sauce in it. Wow! Stay with us on this video if you wanna see if this ajushi right here will like my adobong puti, which I've never cooked before. And yeah, I'll show you guys how the cooking looks like. Ta-da!
Wow!
Are you excited? You're not even doing anything. Okay, we're back. So I have prepared everything that we need to cook my adobong puti. So this is potato, quartered with skin on. Personally, I like it with skin on, whatever your preferences are. And then obviously the pork. I believe this is pork shoulder. I checked that pork shoulders are more tender when it's thoroughly cooked and more flavorful. But let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. And then we have the minced garlic, from Kirkland. It's very it's very convenient. I won't have to dice up. But then I also prepared a little bit of like garlic on the side because we want the big crunchiness on that. But if you're wondering why our garlic look like this, I put it in the fridge to longer the shelf life, so now it looks like this. Anyways, going back, and then black coarse pepper, and the secret. We won't be using the soy sauce on this one because we will be using a fish sauce. So we got this fish sauce from the Asian store back in Denver. I remember. And white vinegar. This is very Filipino vinegar. And avocado oil once we fry the potatoes. And then lastly, the rice soup. Oh no. This is what we need. Pork adobo puti on top of steamed white rice. Very Filipino. Cause rice is life. That's it. I'll be cooking now. Kaja.
Hey! Hey, hey! Hey, 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 hey.
Your turn. Hey! If you want your potatoes with skin on, just make sure you thoroughly wash it, okay? Also, I forgot to include there's laurel leaves, but this is optional. Okay, looks like our pan is now hot enough. So, fire is on medium, and now is the perfect time to put our thoroughly washed potatoes. Now that the garlic is golden brown, you could finally add the pork. This pork shoulder is cut in cubes. Now that we put the pork in here, we could finally put our seasonings. And the magic starts here. Fish sauce. I read that you could also use salt in this one, but the recipe that I decided to do is to use a fish sauce, and this is a big serving spoon, so I'm just gonna put 2 of that. Well, it depends on your liking again, so just to be safe, I don't want it to become very salty because the guy behind the camera has sodium problems. Look at him, he changed his face quickly. And then we're gonna have to add a cup of vinegar. That's a lot. This step is crucial, so I learned that you shouldn't stir the pork yet. That way you make sure that the vinegar is thoroughly cooked. So we're gonna have to wait for it to simmer until I'm allowed to stir it. And you could add the water. 1 cup. And half a cup. Very good. And finally, pepper. This should be like a whole peppercorn, but we don't have that. So I'm improvising. I'm just gonna put coarse ground. Then we're just gonna have to wait for it to simmer, and I'll show you later how it looks like. Are you excited? You are? Now that the water and the vinegar has mostly evaporated, we're just gonna let the pork cook in its own fat. Okay, it's finally time to add the potatoes. Then mix everything together and wait for it to cook. Okay, let's just wait for it. Hey Siri, stop! Gaslighting at its finest. There's nothing to stop here. Rice. Wow! It's finally cooked and ready. This is mine, and this is his. So let's see. Show us what we got here. Adobong Puti. Let's see if he's gonna like it or not. He's still not giving me feedbacks, so I'm very, very nervous. Did you expect for the taste to be like that? How was it? What's your feedback? Why are you like this? Why are you making me nervous? Look, my palms are sweating now. What? Do you like it or not?
It's bomb.
Oh! Actually, you're not just saying that. So now, which one do you like? The traditional chicken adobo that I cooked last time, or this adobo puti?
Everything.
Everything? You don't have you don't have preference or something?
Nope.
Okay. That's it, you guys. Thank you for staying with us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite adobo version. Let us know in the comment section. Bye bye. See you on our next vlog.